Read what it says. It is in the genes, just like animals, plants, pass their genes from one generation to the next. This assures every member of the species to have the characteristics it needs to survive. Everything have what it needs to survive. That is in nature. That is in us. Nature is us, right? And then you are sold this bullshit that for some reason your body doesn't have the genes to survive any pandemic or any catastrophic issues that we have. Your body, you don't have the genes, you don't have the DNA, so we have to put some into you. But you just saw in nature that everything in nature ancestrally has passed down. So that means every pandemic that happened, everything that happened throughout the history of humanity, each and every one of us that is standing right now have the genetic code to survive anything. So you are being fed all this bullshit. Every pandemic that happened ancestrally, everything that happened throughout the history of humanity, going back through biblical times, our ancestors from the plagues of the Bible are the ones that we don't even remember. The ones that are standing, the humans that are standing in this now, have survived all those catastrophe, pandemic, traumas and things. They have survived it. If you are standing right now as a human that is being in this physical form, congratulations, for you have inherited infinite survival tools to make it. So when someone is telling you that your body is so fragile, it doesn't have what it takes to survive, look yourself in the mirror, because you are an embodiment of your ancestors. You are an embodiment of nature. In this now, that means everything that nature has survived, you have survived. That's why you are here. And now, that's why you are existing as a human in the physical form. But it's hard for us to see this, something that's in front of us, because we are congested in our mind, stuffing our minds with all this bullshit on TV, MSNBC, CNN, all this intellectual stimulated things, intellectual stimuli. The intellectual things that don't feel and see what's around them. We are bombarded with bullshit. We can't really smell our armpits anymore. We can't smell our normal flora, our normal aura, because we have literally populated that shit with colognes and perfumes. We can't really smell our fucking gas, our fluctuates, because now everything has to smell so fruity. You don't even know your normal nature flora, because we are oversaturated in our minds, congested in our minds. We can't see what's around us anymore. Everything around us is free. It flows freely, but we can't see it. We are overstimulated with bullshit, with intellectual theories about how we are a mystery to this reality. How are we a mystery to this fucking reality when everything we are is standing right here? Every gene, every genetic code that's ever designed on planet Earth resides in each and every one of us. Everything, the ancestry before us is now within us. Every code, every knowledge, every information we need to survive. From the beginning of time till now, we are the beginning that is now existing. Everything have been passed down to us genetically and is within us. But we cannot activate that because we have suppressed it with our illusionary self. If focus stuck in our mind of what ifs, when what it is standing right in front of us in nature. Everything is ever clear. Only if we can look around and see that everything, we are the survivalist. We have survived all this pandemic that have happened, any catastrophe issue that have happened throughout the history of mankind. You and I are standing victorious as the last one standing. But you are told you are so fragile, you are weak, your body is not substantiable enough. It's not sustainable enough. You need some kind of shit they made in the lab. That's the only way you can survive. And you are sold on that bullshit, and you believed it, that you are so fragile, little thing. I showed you what it says. Every living thing, everything is passed down ancestrally and genetically to me and you. Every knowledge and every wisdom that is ever secret, that is hidden by so-called whatever, the people that you created as the elite. Whatever information they are hiding is hiding within you. You have all that information. It is in you. Put the books down and look at the books outside. Look at the books in nature. Put the books that you are reading, that you are hiding in. That is the books that are suppressing your intuitive soul. Go out in nature, take a deep breath and see the book of life, the book of love, the book of knowledge, the book of wisdom that is existing everywhere. This is a tree. That's a tree. Everything that is around you, it's love. It's all the knowledge and wisdom that you're ever gonna need. This is the book that you can find it in. This is the book of love. This is the book of knowledge. This is the book of all knowledge and wisdom, all knowing book. The mysteries of life. The book of mysteries of life is now here. It's existing right in front of you. It's no secret. Only you have to see, you have to look, you have to feel, you have to see the truth within you. But you have to come to nature, take a deep breath and see all the answers that you are looking for. It's not in your books that you read. It's the book of life, the book of nature that is out here. But you have to come here to feel the truth, to see the truth. The wonders of the world that is now existing in front of you. Remember, all the truth is standing in front of you. Every truth that you can ever want to know. The answers are all here. They always are. The God that you seek is standing right in front of you. The spirits and the guides that you are looking for is always standing in front of you. The golden opportunities are always standing right in front of you. The you that is within, that is standing right in front of you, screaming, yelling, hollering through the birds, in the wind, on the ground, all of it, telling you, I am here, I am here, I am here. So be it, so be it, so be it. So we can fly like the sunflower can seeds forever, in harmony, in joy, in happiness. So be it, and it will be as is right now.